guys, it's me, Risa. Guess what? I'm going to teach you how to make a peanut butter teriyaki stir fry. And I have chunks of chicken. And you can use regular ground chicken, turkey meat. It's up to you, but I had a bunch, like a big bag full in my freezer, and I've just cut it up into little chunks. I've already sprayed my skillet. You can see the steam. I'm going to turn it down with some olive oil or coconut oil or whatever oil you want. But first we're going to add some nice spices to our chicken meat. And I love smoked paprika, so I'm going to add about a tablespoon. And I'm going to massage everything into it. I like adding some onion powder, and I would say a good teaspoon or more. It's up to you. You can use fresh, also garlic powder. If you want to use fresh garlic, of course, you can do that. And I'm adding a good teaspoon or more of that. And then I'm going to add some Himalayan salt and pepper, and then we're going to mix this up. All your chicken or whatever you are making, you could actually use tofu as well. I forgot to mention that. Get your veggies already. So I've cut up a big sweet onion into just little pieces. Depends how you like it. I've already cut up some broccoli. So after I saute the onion, I'm going to add mushrooms. And I like buying this broccoli coleslaw because it just has like such great ingredients, and it's already a time saver because you have everything shredded. I might add a little bit more carrot, and I bought some sugar snap peas. So you can get all of that ready while this is cooking. Okay, so that's another tip. I'm going to start turning it over. You can see that this is how I like it. Nice and crispy. If it's not nice and crispy, then I don't turn it over. I'll leave it cooked for a longer period of time. But it should be all ready around the same time. You can see that it looks incredible, and I can't even tell you, I wish you could smell my kitchen because it smells amazing as well. So I just like to use some tongs to flip it over. I'm going to wait another couple of minutes. So you can decide how you like it, but that's how I like it. Okay, so the chicken is cooked really well. Again, you know, you should check it, cut it in half and make sure that it's well cooked inside if you're using chicken breast. And of course, you can use chicken thighs. It's up to you. Remember, all my recipes are just a base. Now, I'm going to now add my onion, turn up the oven because I want it to get nice and brown, and sauteed all the onion. Sorry for going back and forth, guys. And we're just going to saute that until it's nice and brown. So my onions are pretty much browned the way I like them. And now I'm adding a tin of some sliced mushrooms. If you want to use fresh mushrooms, you can use fresh mushrooms, of course. And then I like to just get these nice and brown on a high heat. So the mushrooms are nice and brown. The onions are the way I like them as well. They're golden brown as well. And now the fun part, dump all the other veggies in. And of course, if you don't have these veggies, don't worry. Add whatever you have. If you have cauliflower, if you have zucchini. But I do suggest, if you can, find a nice slaw that you can add, because again, it just makes life so easy. I had bought 2 bags, but I think 1 bag's enough. And I'm not adding in the sugar snap peas yet. I'm going to add some nice carrot, more carrot, because look at that. It's so colorful and beautiful. I'm going to save that bag for another time. Again, use whatever veggies that you want, okay, and make it look so colorful and beautiful. Of course, I'm definitely going to add some more onion powder, even though I put it in the chicken. You need to always add some flavor to your veggies, okay, and some garlic powder. So just sprinkle that in. I just cover it, okay? And then, of course, you're going to mix it up. Now for the fun part. I'm experimenting, guys. So I bought this crunchy organic peanut butter. I have this teriyaki sauce. You could use what you want. I'm going to add a little bit of some sesame oil, about a teaspoon. Just a little bit, because, you know, that gives it that authentic, delicious stir-fried taste, right? And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of the teriyaki sauce. Oh, you can hear that sizzling. I'm going to just turn it down. And I always add some Worcestershire. So I'm going to add about, I'd say, a good tablespoon or so, because I like Worcestershire. It really adds amazing flavor. And you can see that the vegetables are cooking. And I have some Frank's hot sauce. You could use some chili flakes. I'm just going to put in about a teaspoon, because just for a little zip. I was going to actually add that to my chicken, but I didn't. And now I'm going to add in a heaping tablespoon. Oh my God, this is going to be so good. I can't wait to try it. I would have added some fresh ginger. I couldn't find it in my fridge, but you could add some fresh ginger, fresh garlic, okay, some salt and pepper, which I will add a little bit, but again, it's important to taste. And how does that look already? So now I'm going to add in my snow peas, my sugar snap peas. You could add snow peas in, actually, if you want. So you can decide the amounts that you want, because it depends. Like, this is just for me. I don't know, maybe my husband might have some. He usually likes it. And then we'll add in our chicken meat. Okay, so I've tasted it, and I really would like some more peanut butter. So I'm putting in an extra tablespoon of this natural peanut butter. And I'm also going to now add in my chicken meat. Okay? Oh my God, I can't wait to try this. Okay, guys, here it is. I have to tell you, it is super delicious. I added extra salt. Make sure you add enough salt, and it is incredible. I can't wait for you to try it. Tell me what you think. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share. Okay, Risa Weiner YouTube. This one is a winner. All right, so my new peanut butter stir fry. Okay, peanut butter chicken stir fry. All right, and when you look at my recipes, just write down, when you text it in, my name and what you're looking for. Okay, well, not text, just type it in. You can tell that it's the end of the day. I'm tired, but I think you're gonna really love this recipe.